What's up, guys? It's Terraria83 and today my TV broke. Don't ask why or how. I'm taking it apart as we speak. The damage, I want you to take a look. If you can see it. I did some damage to it already. So yeah, I thought you would like to watch me take it apart or some stuff like that. So I'm not sure how I'm going to hold this. Maybe like this. Right now I'm in the process. Actually, I might want to take this speaker off right here. Just rip it off like that. It's off. Oh, scared for a second. What does this say? Hot. I don't know. But yeah, there's like bits of glass on my bed. I wonder why. Okay, let me just grab the camera again. And now gotta start screwing. Oh guys, watch out for that coronavirus that's going around. We need to be aware and, take action against it. If all possible. I'm shooting this at like 4 a.m. in the morning. Why? Couldn't sleep, so... Couldn't sleep with the thought that I can't play my Xbox anymore. Hard thing to try to go to sleep to, am I right? Been a good TV for many years, so it deserves to go out like this. Comment down below, RIP Gaming TV, guys. Comment that down below. And is that the last screw? There's two more. Two more screws. Where's that other screw? There it is. Can't hold my camera for anything these days. Luckily, I think this screw may be a bit bigger. I'm literally trying to watch the screw, looking over the camera, make sure the camera don't go off track. Okay, there's another screw down. Guys, look, the light, you can even see it. It's pulsing through. If you ever wondered what a Walmart HDMI TV looks like in the back opened up, now you know. Okay, we got one more screw before it's all over with. TV, you will be dead. You'll be out of it soon, so don't worry. You guys, I'm not happy about this at all. I'll have to buy me a new TV. Cheapest I found on Walmart, like $70. $69.99. Think that's cheap? Think again, bros. Far from it. Far from it, my friends. Am I gonna have to have a small screwdriver for this? I don't think so. Let me cut into the video so I'll get this screw out. Okay, I don't really need to take the screw out, so here it goes. Let me turn it the other way around so you can see. Then insert epic music here. I just realized you probably can barely see it, so I'm going to back up a little bit. This isn't dangerous, right? That part just flew off. The broken part. Ah, so bright. I see the light. Is this all just paper? Drip, drip, drip. So this is how TVs get their power and such. Guys, this is my screen. Let me have it. Now I can do whatever I want to it. Well, yeah, guys, my screen. What? So satisfying. Until you get glass in your hand and you have to go to the hospital. Let's toss the screen aside. So bright. I wonder if I turn it off, what would it look like? Where's the off button? Whoa. Whoa. Okay, turning it on. Oh, yep, that's bright. That is bright. How am I gonna get this out? There we go. Oh my. Oh wait, there's screws here? Where's my screwdriver? There it is. The trusty screwdriver I bought at Walmart for $3. Or $2, I can't remember. Luckily, these screws are a bit bigger. I was thinking about doing a board smashing of this, but I figured a science video would be more entertaining, you know? I figured science videos like this would be good for entertainment, you know? Yeah, everyone's probably wondering what a TV actually looks like, so I'm here to answer that question. And until further notice, guys, until I get a new TV, I won't be making any more Xbox videos. Just an FYI. And that'll probably be sometime in, I don't know, I would say December maybe. Maybe even soon, maybe later, I don't know. But I will probably start making Nintendo Switch videos, because as you can see, I've got a Nintendo Switch right here, as you've seen in one of my videos. Okay, now let's take this part off. I almost pulled off one of the bulbs. Actually, I am. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my. Oh my. Oh wow. Wonder what happens if I cut one of the wires. Oh my gosh, that's hot. Oh! Okay. I guess that happens. Is this all it includes in this little goodie bag? Some tape. So yeah, rest in peace, my TV. You're dead now. Thanks for watching. Please show your respect for this TV and down in the comments, and if you don't, then I will cry. I'll see you later. Bye.